This lesson is going to be on simplifying expressions with exponents. Before we start, we're going to talk about exponents. So exponents is when you have a number or a variable raised to a certain power. So if we have 2 to the second power, this 2, this is the exponent or the power, and then this main 2 is called the base. And when you have a number or variable raised to a power, it just means you're multiplying that base by itself as many times as the exponent. So 2 to the second power means we have 2 times 2, or just 4. With all of our problems today, we can leave them as a base to some exponent. So the first problem, we're going to expand this expression, and then we're going to write it as one term. So we have 5 to the second power, which is 5 times 5, times 5 to the fourth power, which is 5 multiplied by itself 4 times. Now I notice I just have all 5's being multiplied, and there's 6 of them. So I could write this as 5 to the 6th power. So now when we're multiplying terms, and they have the same base, we can just add the exponents. So 4 plus 2 is 6. Expand this expression. We have 5 to the fourth to the second power. That means I have 5 to the fourth times 5 to the fourth. And based on the problem we just did, since I have two terms that are being multiplied and the same base, I can add the exponents. So this would be 5 to the 8th power. From the beginning, we could have just simplified this because we have an exponent raised to an exponent. And when we have that, we would multiply the exponents. So 4 times 2 is 8. Expand this expression. 5x squared squared. That means I have 5x squared times 5x squared. Now I have the 5 and the 5, so 2 5s, so that's 5 to the second power. And then x squared and x squared, I can multiply them and add the exponents because they're the same base. So it's 5 squared x to the fourth power. So here, when you're multiplying, I can take this exponent to the coefficient and to the variable when we're multiplying.